If you've ever gone online and tried to look up tutorials on how to improve your look ahead, you've probably heard these words before. Do slow solves. Now, really, what are slow solves, and why am I telling you that you shouldn't do them? The clip I showed at the start of the video was an example of a slow solve. The definition of a slow solve is limiting your turning speed to improve look ahead. So why do people do this? Why do people limit their turning speed and go slower intentionally? Well, the reason might surprise you. It's because when you're turning super duper fast, it's really hard to see what's coming next. And I'm sure that you've experienced this before. When you try to do look ahead and you're turning at your maximum speed, it's quite difficult because the peas are moving so fast and you don't have all that much experience with turning fast and look ahead. So that's why people turn slower, so that they can see what's coming next. And that's a skill that can be developed over time to turn faster and faster while still being able to have look ahead. That's how top keepers like Max and Royhung are able to have really good look ahead and still turn very, very fast. It's because they've practiced it a bunch. So that's why people do slow solves. So if all that is true, what's the issue that I'm addressing with slow solves? Well, my problem is that slow solves have a lot of faults, such as when you're doing a slow solve, you don't always see what's coming next. Even if you're turning at a very low speed, it's still quite difficult to look ahead. It may be easier, sure, but that doesn't make it easy. Okay, let's use this as example 1. Let's say I've planned out my cross and I'm going to do slow solve to improve my look ahead, and I'm going to turn at a set pace. Did you notice anything strange about that solve? Even though I was following the rules for what a slow solve should look like, which is limiting my turning speed to improve look ahead, I was still very choppy. This is because I was turning at a set pace, which does not guarantee me to know what my next pairs are. It only tells me what pace I'm going at. Because of this, what you should do instead is just turn at whatever pace allows you to see the next pairs. You shouldn't be just turning at some pace that you decide. Whatever works for you, works for you. If I need to turn at 1.5 turns per second to be able to look ahead, well, then I'm going to turn at 1.5 turns per second to be able to look ahead. It's because you won't be able to look ahead if you're doing something harder than what you need to be doing.
So it's that time of the video where I tell you guys I'm really grateful that you watched all of it, and that I hope you like and subscribe and comment. Well, either is good, but preferably subscribe because I haven't gained any of those in a while. So, yeah, I really hope that I helped you out here because I did put a lot of work into this video, and I think that it's pretty good because I just saw this as a huge mistake that in so many people's like way of improving, that like it could be so much better. Like, just imagine if the whole world didn't do slow solves wrong, you know? All right, well, thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next video. Unless if I don't upload, then you won't. Bye.